Hello, friends, and welcome to Creating with Miss K. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would like to welcome you. If this isn't your first time visiting my channel, I want you to know how much you are loved and appreciated. In today's video, I am going to show you my dining room, which I am calling in my series Winter Refresh. I've decided to bring in the color black into my home for winter 2021. Here's a look at my dining room. I wanted it decorated with the black fur, and I'm using just silver accents and a few white candles. I just couldn't get enough of my black fur placemats or my runner. You will be seeing them probably again next winter, but for this video, this will be the last time that I'll be using them unless someone comes up with a collab. But for me, for my own personal content, this will be the last showing with the black fur placemats and the black runner. I love this look. It is so elegant. Black is such a classy color. It's sleek. It's sexy. It does so much for me. And anytime you hear black tie affair, a black little black dress, that means it's some class coming with it. So I do love the color black. This is my silver floral arrangement, and I'm just using a few silver candles. I really wasn't trying to do too much, but I still wanted, to bring something that would help incorporate the black that I'm using for the season. Just using my Dollar Tree plates. My black chargers are from eFavorMart, and my glasses are a DIY, the ones that are trimmed in the black. But otherwise, I'm so pleased with how this has turned out. My bedroom refresh, I just got finished showing you. So this will probably be the last portion with my dining room. I will come back with something else for the dining room. I don't know if it's going to be maybe my buffet table or if I'm going to do another tablescape. I haven't quite decided, but I am always looking for the viewer's opinion. So whatever it is that you may want to see, please let me know. Leave it in the comment section and let me know which direction you want me to go in. You give me your opinion and I will give you my inspiration. And so together we are just working to give each other what we both like. I would like to thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you like this type of content, I promise I try to bring at least 2 videos a week of my personal content, and then I actually participate in collaborations and challenges. So if this is something that you're looking for to continue to be inspired, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you so much. Remember to be safe, know that you are loved, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.